Top 100 Full Forms Part 1. Question of the day. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Please leave answer in comment section down below. Whoever will have more like plus comment will be declared as a winner of giveaway contest. Full form of RAM is random access memory. Full form of ROM is read-only memory. Full form of IP is Internet Protocol. Full form of PSU is Power Supply Unit. Full form of CD is Compact Disk. Full form of virus is Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Full form of UPS is Uninterruptible Power Supply. Full form of SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Full form of TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. Full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disk. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Full form of CRT is Cathode Ray Tube. Full form of GIGO is Garbage in Garbage Out. Full form of DEC is Digital Equipment Corporation. Full form of SAP is System Application and Products. Full form of PNG is Portable Network Graphics. Full form of SAT is Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Full form of GIS is Geographical Information System. Full form of DDS is Digital Data Storage. Full form of CAD is Computer-Aided Design. Full form of ACP is Advanced Configuration and Power Interface. Full form of AGP is Accelerated Graphics Port. Full form of APM is Advanced Power Management. Full form of BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. Full form of CSI is Common System Interface. Full form of DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Full form of OSI is Open System Interconnection. Full form of APIPA is Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. Full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Full form of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Full form of CAN is Campus Area Network. Full form of CAL is Computer-Aided Learning. Full form of GPL is General Public License. Full form of GCR is Group Code Recording. Full form of MSN is Microsoft Networks. Full form of GPU is Graphics Processing Unit. Full form of GDI is Graphics Device Interface. Full form of ICP is Internet Cache Protocol. Full form of Gmail is Google Mail. Full form of BCC is Blind Carbon Copy. Full form of VDI is Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. Full form of MPEG is Moving Picture Experts Group. Full form of TPU is Tensor Processing Unit. Full form of PSD is Photoshop Document. Full form of DPI is Dots per inch. Full form of FI is For Your Action. Full form of CRS is Computer Reservation System. Full form of BFD is Binary File Descriptor. Full form of ABR is Available Bitrate. Full form of GBPS is Gigabits per second. Full form of ping is Packet Internet Groper. Full form of CSMA is Carrier Sense Multiple Access. Full form of AD is Active Directory. Full form of ADC is Analog to Digital Converter. Full form of OMR is Optical Mark Recognition. Full form of NIC is Network Interface Card. Full form of LDAP is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Full form of UART is Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. Full form of LAN is Local Area Network. Full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. Full form of MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. Full form of PAN is Personal Area Network. Full form of MAC is Media Access Control. Full form of DCE is Distributed Computing Environment. Full form of PFA is Please find attached. Full form of HCI is Human-Computer Interaction. Full form of FHS is Filesystem Hierarchy Standard. Full form of SMPS is Switched Mode Power Supply. Full form of LTE is Long-Term Evolution. Full form of AHA is Accelerated Hub Architecture. Full form of TPM is Trusted Platform Module. Full form of FCS is Frame Check Sequence. Full form of DVE is Digital Video Effects. Full form of DLL is Data Link Layer. Full form of CSV is Comma-Separated Values. Full form of CTCP is Client-to-Client Protocol. Full form of ABI is Application Binary Interface. Full form of MES is Management Information System. Full form of ULSI is Ultra-Large Scale Integration. Full form of FPU is Floating Point Unit. Full form of FXP is File Exchange Protocol. Full form of HID is Human Interface Device. Full form of iOS is iPhone Operating System. Full form of POD is Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. Full form of DDR is Double Data Rate. Full form of DFS is Distributed File System. Full form of MIPS is Million Instructions per Second. Full form of MMC is Microsoft Management Console. Full form of VGCT is Video Graphics Character Table. Full form of WBMP is Wireless Bitmap Image. Full form of PCM is Pulse Code Modulation. Full form of LBA is Logical Block Addressing. Full form of CIDR is Classless Interdomain Routing. Full form of MIMO is Multiple Input Multiple Output. Full form of WMA is Windows Media Audio. Full form of RAS is Remote Access Service. Full form of HTM is Hierarchical Temporal Memory. Full form of SIS is Security and Intelligence Services.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.